Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas sailing from Los Angeles. Now this particular category is an interior. It's the lead-in category here on the ship. Now I'm going to take you through the space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to get the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group. Now, as soon as you walk in the door to the right-hand side here, you're going to have your primary storage. Now, you've got hanging storage all the way across, shelves up and down, a little bit of storage up above here, and then these will also pull down for more. Now, you see that you have two sets of ladders here. That's going to be because this particular category has Pullman beds that pull down from the ceiling. I'll show you what that's all about in just a minute. Directly across, you're going to find two hooks for coats, and let's head into the bathroom. Now it's the same bathroom you're going to find throughout the ship. You've got a vanity here and a little bit of storage underneath. Just behind here, you're going to find storage up and down. And then directly across, you're going to find the shower. Now I wanted to point out, I'm a really big guy. I'm 6'6". I can fit in here because they have a bowed out shower door in lieu of a shower curtain. You've got the adjustable shower head up and down here, and then a couple nooks for amenities, and the clothesline just on top. Now as we head further into the room, you're going to have your writing desk here that does double as a vanity. You've got lights on either side and a little bit of storage behind the mirrors here. You've got a Euro plug and two US plugs. Now these are the only plugs here in the room, so just keep that in mind when you're utilizing that for charging. You've got drawers up and down. You'll find your hair dryer in there, mini fridge underneath, and then you also have a flat panel TV. You can angle it at the couch or you can turn it to angle at the bed, whichever you prefer. Storage up above, and then you're going to find your safe in here. Perfect size for passport and wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. And then across, you're going to find your love seat here. So it's nice that you actually do have seating in an interior cabin. Next up is the main bed. So you've got it together here in what they call a Royal Queen configuration. You've got plenty of storage underneath, and you can also separate the bed apart into two twins if you prefer. Got nightstands on either side with a lamp and a reading light. You also have a phone, and I wanted to point out that that does have a USB charger, so you do have a charger next to the bed. Now this particular interior can accommodate 4 guests. You've got a Pullman bed up here and another one there. This is going to come down. Now keep in mind that your cabin steward will put that down each and every single evening for you, and then of course if you want them to put it up in the morning, they'd be happy to do so as well. You'd have the ladder that would be heading up to each one, and you can keep the bed in the configuration here or separate it apart into two twins as I mentioned. Now keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group.